Building a website on GoHighLevel allows you to create a professional online presence for your business. Here's how to build a website using GoHighLevel. Log into GoHighLevel. Sign into your GoHighLevel account and navigate to the Site section in the left sidebar. Create a new website. In the Site section, click on Create New Site to start building your website from scratch or using a template. Choose a template. GoHighLevel offers pre-built templates for websites, funnels, and landing pages. You can choose a template to save time or create a custom site from scratch. Customize your website. Use the drag-and-drop builder to customize your website's layout, design, and content. Add sections such as headers, footers, text, images, buttons, and forms. You can modify colors, fonts, and other design elements to match your branding. Set up navigation. Add pages to your website and link them through the navigation menu. Preview and test. Once you've designed your website, preview it to check for responsiveness across devices. Test all links, forms, and buttons. Publish your website. After making final adjustments, click Publish to make your website live.